We're here in beautiful Palmetto Bluff, South Carolina to give you the first glimpse at the HGTV Smart Home for 2018. Let's throw the tech aside for a moment and just appreciate the smart design in this HGTV Smart Home. That actually starts here in the bedroom with the shoe carousel. And proving that there's no excuse for leaving your clothes on the floor, there's this really smart laundry chute that's built in right here that connects from the bedroom directly into the laundry room. So you just put everything in here, push the chute forward, and all you have to do is pick it up on the other side in the laundry room. If you find yourself constantly running out of space, this smart home stairs has drawers built right in. This is a mixer lift, and HGTV worked with local builders and cabinet makers to make this a reality. And you can see here, all you have to do is just lift it up and it locks into place just like that. And when you want to put it away, you just pull the arms right out. How about you perk up with some coffee right in the bathroom? So this is from Nexus 21. Just press a button right here and the coffee maker starts to rise very coolly right from the cabinet right here. So you can make your coffee while you're getting ready for work.